Hey GRAZYs! So when I was filming my first ever music video about 2 years ago, so about 3 weeks before the music video shoot, I was having this fitting session, and I remember I was wearing this one really tight white, literally skin dress. One of the staff members, I won't say who, and I've never been like a big person in my life, but I guess when I was doing the fitting, you know, he was able to see like just a little bit of tiny body fat in my stomach because of the lighting and how skin tight the dress was. And I just remember him so like shaming me about like this little body fat. He was literally saying I'm not gonna be able to make it in the industry because of my body, or that we're not gonna film the music video. I was already around probably 100 and I don't know, let's say 107-8 pounds. They wanted me to lose weight in about 2.5 weeks before the music video. If you want to lose weight in 2.5 weeks, all you can do is starve yourself. I remember I just pretty much starved myself. For lunch, dinner, I had this tiny little portion, a half of a chicken breast, I think 2 pieces of clementine a day. Even water scared me that I was gonna gain weight. I felt like no one was educating me about it, and they were just kind of shaming me. I've seen so many girls and boys diet in such an unhealthy way, and I feel like I wanted to share a way where I didn't have to diet or starve myself ever again. Good morning everyone. Now I look like a hot mess right now, but I woke up like this, okay? So I have such a busy day today. I have a music video filming today, and I have a studio session because I am getting ready for some music. So I need to get on a hurry. But for breakfast, I'll be using my favorite recipe book. You guys know I've talked about this one a lot. This is by BodyBoss, and this is one of my favorite visuals. So without looking at visuals, it's hard to just imagine things and you get lazy. So I definitely like to have some kind of a guide. So for today's breakfast, I will be making eggs and sprouts. Now I love Brussels sprouts, and I get to incorporate it with some eggs, getting my protein. Alright, for the taste test, here's my Brussels sprouts. I know there's a lot of people who don't like Brussels sprouts, which I don't get you. And if you cook Brussels sprouts, it tastes amazing. So it is so well cooked. Oh my god, you guys. This is such a good pre-workout meal too. Can I dance here? Hey. So after every breakfast, I like to have a piece of fruit. Try some pineapples or mangoes. I have some kiwis, and I have this plum right here. So I'm gonna take a kiwi with me. Alright, I know my room is messy, but I'm gonna try to get some 20-30 minutes of workout for today. This is just my outfit. Got my water bottle here, my top. I always try to concentrate my cores the most because I feel like for a girl, like the stomach is always a sensitive part. Let's go!
Hell no.
So quick story time. When I would film like high production music videos, which all the 3 singles that I've released in the past were pretty much high production music videos. When you're in front of like cameras and a lot of staff members, it was really hard for me to eat. I do have to concentrate on like the music video filming, and I'm in this tense mode. You don't want any stomach bulging out because you're at a music video or you're at a shooting. Now usually in these kind of filming settings, they provide you with toshirak. So toshirak is basically rice, a little bit of meat, pickled filled vegetables. They provide you with a lot of snacks. Thinking about it, it's high calorie food, but it's not really nutritious in my eyes and my thoughts. So it's really good idea to pack your own lunch when you are even busy. I know what I'm putting into my body. I know I'm putting in something good. For lunch, I'll be making the apple and salmon super wrap. Now I am so excited. I've already pre-prepped the meal last night. I'm just gonna put it together really quickly, put it in my lunchbox, and run out. So I'm all packed and ready. I have my suitcase, my lunchbox. I am waiting for the car to go out to the city. Ciao, adios. See you at my music video shoot. Is it good? Do you feel healthy? Look at my hair. So I just came back from my music video shoot. It is late outside. What are you looking? What are you looking at? I have another studio session tonight, so I need to get in energy. Do you guys like my shirt and my glitter? For dinner, I'll be making this super green dumpling. I know you guys are saying like, oh my god, like you're on a diet and you're gonna eat some dumplings. Yes, I'm gonna be eating some dumplings. So this one is super green dumplings. I hope mine looks like this, but I'm not really like a good visual person. Alright, so here are my dumplings here that I've made. Does it look delicious or what? Oh my god. Let's try that weird shape that I made right here. So I got my sauce right here. I'm gonna be dipping it. And it has some chili flakes, sesame oil, tamari, all that goodness. 맛있어. It has no meat in it, but it has enough vegetables. Let's try this crispy one. So I didn't add any salt and pepper to the original mix because I'll be dipping it here anyway. 왜 이렇게 맛있어?